Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and if you are looking for exclusive add-ons pro plugin for your WordPress website, then in this video I will guide you how you can purchase it from Bloggingify store and how we can deliver it to your WordPress website. So let's get started. So I will provide you the direct product link in the description box, so just check the description link and you will redirect on the direct product page. Otherwise you have to open your any search engine, just type Bloggingify store and open our store. And here you can see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins. So if you need anything else, so just click on this search icon and type what you need. Basically in this video we'll talk about exclusive add-ons pro. So let me type exclusive and I just type X. So let me just click on exclusive add-ons pro. So here is the few details about this product, so let me explain you. Uses for one domain, update validity lifetime, auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually we will install, that means you have to share your website temporary access with us and we will install our license on your WordPress website, so you will get lifetime auto update. That's a simple process. We don't share our licenses to anyone at any cost. So I hope you understand my point. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now after that you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, last name and other things you can check here, and select your payment method, confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation you will redirect this type of thank you page. So here you can see a download button, so just click on it and you will receive our premium contact support. So send your website temporary access with us and we will install your product in a few minutes. That's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So if you have any doubt you can do a comment in comment section, and once again thank you so much guys for watching this video.